The DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2026. Although DJI has not officially announced the aircraft, multiple regulatory sightings, prototype leaks, and insider reports suggest that development is well underway. If the rumors prove accurate, the Air 4 could redefine the mid-range drone segment. Based on current leaks, the DJI Air 4 is expected to sit between the Mini and Mavic series, continuing DJI's strategy of offering professional imaging capabilities in a more portable platform. The most significant rumor revolves around a possible sub-250 grams design. If DJI achieves this weight target, it would represent a dramatic reduction from the 724 grams Air 3S, while potentially offering fewer regulatory restrictions in many markets. However, fitting advanced sensors, obstacle avoidance systems, and a large battery into such a lightweight body remains a major engineering challenge. Camera performance is expected to be the Air 4's biggest upgrade. Current rumors point toward either a dual camera system with larger sensors or even dual 1-inch sensors, significantly improving low-light performance, dynamic range, and image quality over previous Air series models. Some reports also suggest enhanced video capabilities, potentially reaching 6K recording, although this remains unverified. Advanced computational photography, improved HDR processing, and more flexible focal lengths are also widely expected. Leaked prototype images reveal a redesigned airframe featuring thicker arms and a new top-mounted sensor array similar to the recently released DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This setup could deliver enhanced omnidirectional obstacle detection and more reliable autonomous flight functions. Transmission is expected to utilize DJI's O4 or O4 Plus technology, providing greater range, stronger signal stability, and lower latency. Flight endurance is rumored to reach approximately 38 to 40 minutes. The Air 4 will face strong competition from DJI's own lineup, particularly the Air 3S, which remains one of the best all-around drones available today. Recently released competitors such as the DJI Mini 5 Pro, Hover Air X1 Pro Max, and Anti-Gravity A1 have also raised expectations. With advanced imaging, AI tracking, and compact designs, these products have intensified competition in the premium portable drone market. Thanks for watching. The DJI Air 4 has the potential to become the most important mid-range drone DJI has released in years. A lighter body, stronger imaging system, and smarter flight technology could make it a major upgrade over the Air 3S. What feature are you hoping DJI adds most? Share your thoughts below.